Tesco is a multinational food retailing company headquartered in the UK and second largest retailer in terms of profit. So this presentation is basically the marketing research tools and techniques that are applied on Tesco. So it consists of the SWOT analysis, the PESIL and the Porter's 5 Os. This is SWOT analysis of Tesco. So here are the strength, weakness, opportunities and the threat. By comparing the strength and the opportunity, it is said that Tesco has a market share of 18% and its non-food retailing sector has a great impact on the total revenue by 23%. By comparing the weakness and the opportunity, we can say that Tesco has a large capital expenditure to open up new stores in various other countries other than UK, and this act by Tesco can reduce the huge debt of Tesco. So this is by comparing the strength and the threat, we can say that international expansion is expensive, and this more concentration in the international expansion can affect the current position of Tesco in the UK. By comparing the weakness and the threat, we can say that it is evident that Tesco is the one company which is highly dependent on the UK market. So any changes happening to the UK market can affect the performance of Tesco locally and globally as well. So there's the Porter's 5 Os. The purchasing power of the buyers is a high force because any small modification or standardization in the product can easily help the consumers switch from one product to another. So the threat of new entrants requires a huge capital. Since Tesco is already a well-established company, the threat of new entrants is a low force there. So the threat of new product substitutes is moderate force because there are a lot of competitors opening up off-licensing stores and convenience stores in most of the localities. Tesco has positively responded to this threat by opening up Tesco Express in most of the localities around us. So bargaining power of the suppliers is a low force due to the rapid growth in the supermarket industry. So Tesco can easily purchase from its suppliers the products at a reasonably low rate. So all these factors has a huge impact on the intensity of the rivalry. Tesco at present has a huge competition from stores like Morrisons, Asda, Waitrose and many other companies like that. And this is the PESIL analysis. The political factors is that the increase in the value-added tax from 17.5% to 20% and also the introduction of VAT tax. These two factors can affect the performance of Tesco and which can relatively reduce the purchasing power of the people. This the economical factors is that it's the increase in the GDP. The GDP of the UK has increased this year when compared to the last year. So the social factors is the introduction of the online purchasing systems. There are around 2 million people in the UK who are aged more than 69 years. So elderly people can easily use this technology to do their shopping daily by using the online purchasing system. The technological system is a threat of disruptive technology. Disruptive technology is basically when a technology is introduced and it proves to be less effective than the previous technology. So when disruptive technology is used by other competitors and when they become popular with that, it proves to be a threat to Tesco. The legal factors are the amendment in the agricultural policies. The government has introduced direct subsidies to the farmers, so which can affect the sale of a lot of agricultural products of Tesco. Next is the environmental factors, the response towards the global warming. We all know that the present scenario is that where people will talk a lot about global warming and the ice melting and stuff. Tesco has positively responded to this factor by consciously diminishing the effluence of chlorofluorocarbons and greenhouse gases and stuff. So it is evident that Tesco's present performance is fairly high, and but still Tesco has a lot of serious threat from external and internal factors. So it needs to use its strength, and it needs to effectively use its strength to maintain its position at present and also for further development of the performance of Tesco. Thank you.